Alrighty, I'm going to solve this problem. It's actually quite simple, but you may or may not be surprised that a lot of students miss important concepts here. It's a very simple concept, but I'm just going to explicitly instruct it, teach it here. Okay, so this says, which of the following is not a factor of the polynomial p of x is 2x cubed minus 5x squared minus 4x plus 3? So basically, the concept that a lot of students actually miss is what is a factor. If I ask a student to define what a factor is in this context, a lot of them actually struggle. Okay, so let me help you out if you also struggle. So we would say that for the number 6, the factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3, and also 6. Does that help you kind of define what a factor is? In simplest terms, this might not be super precise, but in very simple terms, because honestly, a lot of these concepts are very simple. A factor is basically just something you multiply. All right? With that understanding, basically, one of these choices, p of x, will give us something times, let's say choice A is correct, then it'll be 2x minus 1. You multiply it to something else, and that multiplication gives you p of x. So these two guys are factors. If choice B is correct, then x plus 1 is being multiplied to something to give you p of x, okay? If you understand the simple, super duper simple concept, we can easily use our graphing calculator to quickly get the answer to this question. Because if something is a factor, let's use the zero product property. For choice A, if it were a factor, then half, so P of half would be 0. If choice B were a factor, then P of negative 1 would be 0. If choice C is a factor, P of 3 would be 0. If choice D is a factor, P of 1 would be 0. So plug into your calculator. If we have Desmos, then just plug in P of x as your function. Even zoom in a little bit more. And then just do exactly what I wrote. P of half, P of negative 1, P of 3, P of 1. You'll see that choice D, P of 1, gives you a value of negative 4, which is not equal to 0, as I was saying earlier. So there's your answer right there. Choice, let me scroll back up, choice D is not a factor. And another way, you still have to understand that what a factor is. You can't just graph the p of x as well. I mean, you have if you did it on Desmos, you can just verify your answer like this as well. Use the zero product property once again to understand that if these are factors, then the y value at those same points should be 0. So negative 1, 0, 0.50, 3, 0. You clearly see that 1 comma 0. I don't have it snipped here, but 1 comma 0 would be right over here. It's clearly not on the x-axis. So that's our answer as well. Okay, so I just wanted to clarify the point. What is a factor? Because the concept matters in a lot of these problems to get them quickly and accurately.